So one of the first things that teachers are going to have to do is you'll notice that when all of your courses were imported into Schoology, a lot of the section numbers don't really coincide with anything that makes any sense right now. Like I have a section 16, 17, 18. I've also seen some teachers that have the 1, 2, and 3,000s. And it doesn't always mean that your section 1 is going to coincide with your first hour class. So one of the first things that you're going to need to do is, probably with paper and pencil, is figure out what sections are in which trimester. For the majority of core teachers, all 3 trimesters are going to have the same kids. So how are you going to know which course is going to be in each of the trimesters? And you can have to do this by simply clicking on each course, and then in the lower left hand side you're going to be able to see what grading period that course is associated with. So I can see that this right here is a first trimester course. If I come up to some other random course like section 19, I can see that this is going to be a third trimester course. So I first have to figure out which of my courses are in my first trimester, and then after I've done that, then what I'm going to have to do is cross-reference my roster in PowerSchool with my members in Schoology. And I can see who is in each of my courses by, over on the left hand side, choosing members. And all of the students that are already enrolled in your classes in PowerSchool will automatically be pre-populated inside of your Schoology. So if these are the students that are in my first hour class, and this is my first trimester class, this is going to be my first hour in my first trimester. So it's going to take a little bit of work to figure out which of your sections are which of your hours and which trimester they are. But once you have that figured out, the rest of the year should be pretty easy to organize.